Welcome to Tasty Bites. In today's video, we're diving into the world of powerful weight loss superfoods. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and boost your health, you've come to the right place. Get ready to discover the top superfoods that can accelerate your weight loss journey. Let's jump in. Blueberries. Our first superfood is none other than the mighty blueberries. These tiny yet mighty berries are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss plan. Their natural sweetness satisfies your cravings while providing essential nutrients. Spinach. Next up on our list is nutrient-packed spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is low in calories but high in nutrients. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, spinach helps you feel full while nourishing your body, making it a perfect addition to any weight loss regimen. Moving on, we have quinoa, a superfood grain that is rich in protein and fiber. Quinoa is a great alternative to refined grains, as it keeps you feeling full for longer, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and aids in weight loss. Plus, it's versatile and can be incorporated into various meals. Chia seeds. Now, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse known as chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, healthy fats, and omega-3 fatty acids. They expand when soaked, creating a gel-like consistency that promotes a feeling of fullness and helps control appetite. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or sprinkle them on top of salads for a nutritious boost. Last but not least, we have lentils, a fantastic plant-based protein source that aids in weight loss. High in fiber and low in fat, lentils provide a steady release of energy, keeping you satisfied and preventing overeating. They are versatile and can be used in soups, salads, or as a side dish. And there you have it, a closer look at these incredible weight loss superfoods. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you'll not only support your weight loss goals but also nourish your body in the process. Remember, a balanced and diverse diet is crucial for long-term success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.